we introduce ALFA 3, a leading Czech manufacturer of metal furniture. Since 1991, we have been a reliable partner for hundreds of companies across Europe. Our wide portfolio features parcel delivery and pickup lockers, charging cabinets for e-bike batteries and electronics, as well as lockers, benches, workshop furniture, office archive cabinets, and custom solutions for logistics, education, and industrial sectors. Every single product is developed entirely in-house by our research and development department. We take our customers' technical requirements and turn them into modern construction designs, which are then integrated into our company information system and production control system. Thanks to our long-term collaboration with our strategic partner, all software and hardware are developed specifically for our products. This allows us to maintain full control over development, quality assurance, and the future evolution of our solutions. Our robotic production lines communicate in real time with our company's information system. Everything takes place under one roof. Fast, efficient, and with a strong focus on the highest quality. With over 3 decades of continuous growth and innovation, marked by the development of innovative products, the successful completion of numerous projects, and the ongoing modernization of our production lines and innovation spirit, we possess the experience, capacity, and flexibility to undertake even the most challenging orders.
Our workplaces are all fortified with terminals showing what's happening at any given point. They control online collection and monitoring of data about activities being performed. The constant flow and collection of data from the production line results in a significant acceleration of production, increased output, and quality of work. Always on the lookout for opportunities to innovate our products and processes, our aim is to guarantee superior reliability, quality, and modern design of our products. This high degree of automation enables us to produce not only serial products, but also modified and special order products.
The quality of our manufacturing processes is confirmed by independent professional stress tests and the experience of our customers. ALFA 3, your partner with a vision for the future.